In this video, I'll show you how to fix too many login attempts on Swiggy. So if you have got this problem, I'll show you a few different things you can do to fix this problem. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings and you need to find the Swiggy app. If you're using an Android, you can scroll down and find apps. Then right here, you need to scroll down and find the Swiggy. So here is Swiggy, you need to click on this. Then you need to scroll a little bit down and click on storage, and you can start with clearing data and cache on your Swiggy app. If you're using an iPhone, when you find the Swiggy app into your phone, there will be an offload button. You need to click on offload and it will restart your data into your Swiggy app. So this might help you if you still have got the problem. Another thing you can try is if you are all connected to the Wi-Fi, you can switch your connection to mobile data, or if you are using the mobile data, you can switch over to Wi-Fi. You can also try to change your SIM card. You can put the different SIM card into your phone, and this might solve this problem. And also another thing you can try is open the Play Store or App Store, find the Swiggy app, and find out if you're using the latest version of the app. If there will be an update button, that means your app is expired and you need to update to the latest version. You can also try this, but if none of these methods are helpful, the last thing you can do is just wait for 90 days. So you need to wait for this 3 months period to expire, and after that you will be able to begin using your account again. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.